Hey, so I thought I would put together another video of what I do on most days, well, when I'm working. So this is Friday and then Monday morning. We drilled Friday and then we came in to finish off this morning. There wasn't a great deal of drilling to do, so we helped load and did the shot. So let's roll it. He's trying to get up on top of this. Oh, this is a scary manoeuvre with an expensive piece of machinery, because if it slips or rolls, falls down, well, getting back down there is going to be horrible. Hey guys, here we have Chris from Smart Blasting. We're doing some drilling for him and we're helping him labour on this site. This is his shot he's wiring up. Things are going well today. So that's Chris loaded and matted. Loaded it off in the morning here in Halifax. Just loaded the shot now. The test plate to get out the wall. John's moving his truck. Chris get his lead line, and we're going to do. So I'm going to set the camera up and give you a good view. Right, that's it for today, guys. I'm going to go home and get on with the computer work I need to do. We're all wrapped up here, so let's I'll turn this into an episode. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, for those of you that got to the end, I hope you really enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe if you did and you want to see more. And if you want to see that in slow motion, or ultra slow motion, here it is. See ya.